this one.
Sure, you better be careful.
This will be very careful, Love, so you don't hurt your finger.
Yeah, nice. Thank you, Wesley.
Okay, I better go fix this. So let's fix.
Do you want to put it on the plate?
One. One for you.
Thank you.
Got this blue. I have the train track.
Thank you so much.
Mommy. I will give you. Wow. A plate for me? I will give you a piece first. Out trains. I can out some trains for you.
Oh, nice.
And I bought out. Here you go, Wesley. I bought this one. And
I think Wesley needs a spoon too, Ella.
Spoon? Okay, I'll give you a spoon. You wait for me. I'll give you a spoon. Thanks. And where's a plate for me? I can't do it. And I will get a piece for me. I did it with my hand and the spoon.
Oh, yeah. I think you need to do that.
I didn't like this piece.
Okay, you want another piece?
Yeah, I want this piece.
Okay.
I'm all done.
Oh, Wesley's all done. Look, he's eating very quick.
Spoon to me. And then I'm gonna save a piece for my dad.
Yeah, save a piece for your dad. Put it there so he can eat it when he's back after he's talking to Grandma. There's a spoon. This is your spoon now. Yay!